The all-new VIDA VX2 electric scooter, stylish, smart, and designed for the next generation of riders, comes loaded with tech, and your display deserves the best protection possible. Today, we're installing the Spartan Shield Premium Screen Protector on the VX2's infotainment display for a flawless, scratch-free experience. Start by cleaning the screen with the provided alcohol wipe to remove any dust, fingerprints, or smudges, and dry it thoroughly using the microfiber cloth. Next, use the dust removal sticker to clear away any remaining tiny particles for a smooth finish. Carefully peel off the protective film from the screen guard, align it perfectly with the edges of the display, and gently place it down. Use the included squeegee to push out any air bubbles from the center towards the sides. Finally, remove the top film, and your VIDA VX2's screen is now crystal clear, smudge-free, and perfectly protected with Spartan Shield.